Good afternoon. This is Mrs. Howard with the Howard Happenings. And last week and into this week, we learned about two terms, predator and prey. So you see one of my aquariums here, and you'll notice there are two fish in there. So the one that's farthest is an African cichlid. And then the one that's directly in front of us, this is a Oscar. So he's a really big one. This is actually my husband's pet fish. He's black and orange. So they would be considered the predators. While these animals eat pellets, they also eat other fish. So these fish that you'll notice in a moment here are called rosies. You'll notice here already going up. So as you notice, the rosies are getting eaten. Thus the rosies are considered the prey. And the Oscar, who is the predator, is not giving its counterpart in his ecosystem a chance to get any of the prey, which is the rosie. So hopefully that helps you understand the terms predator and prey. Both of these are fish. The rosie is a type of fish which is classified as an animal, as well as the Oscar is an animal as well. So animals can eat each other. That was an example of a predator-prey relationship in my aquatic ecosystem. Hopefully you've also been able to make sure you understand the difference of biotic and abiotic factors from lesson 1. I will see you all soon. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you like it.